mine. What do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it.
Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you are so welcome and thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make amla, aloe or fenugreek hairspray to boost volume, reduce dandruff, treat head lice, minimize graying, promote healthy hair growth and condition your scalp. So make sure that you watch this video until to the end. And to my 362 subscribers, thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. So if you're new on my channel, click on that subscribe button and subscribe today. So we are going to use some fenugreek, some aloe, and amla. Fenugreek seeds are a source of iron and protein, two essential nutrients for hair growth. They also contain a unique composition of plants. And sapoins, plant compounds, including flavonoids. These compounds are presumed to induce hair growth due to the antimicrobial and fungal effects. Amla will condition the hair, boost volume, reduce dandruff, and treat head lice. And it also promotes, hair growth because of the vitamin E. And it supports healthy circulation if applied topically. And we're also going to use our aloe vera. So aloe vera actually will strengthen your hair, has many active ingredients and minerals that can help strengthen your hair. It has fatty acids and amino acids, and it's rich in vitamin A, B12, C, and E. This may play a part in healthier hair follicles. And aloe vera will also control greasy hair. Aloe vera has enzymes that break down fats and help your hair of any extra oil or sebum. So we are pouring in our hot water and then we are going to put it on heat, on low heat actually. That is the reason why I poured in some hot water, because you don't want it to be overboiled because you're going to kill the nutrients. So these are important 3 ingredients. So now we are stirring and then we are going to put it on fire. So subscribe to our channel for more. If you want to be seeing more of such videos, then consider subscribing. So I'm so passionate about growing our crowns which our God gave us. So a study on amla found that topical application of amla slightly increased the rate of hair growth in that was animal study, actually rabbits. So the researchers suspect this benefit to be tied to amla as being high in the concentration of vitamin E. So vitamin E supports healthy circulation. So applied topically may promote healthy hair and cell regeneration on the given area. So at this point, we've removed from the fire and our powerful spray is ready. Then we are going to strain it. So another study was actually done in 2009. Found that amla powder produce similar results. Researchers found that topical application of a herbal solution containing amla worked more powerful than minoxidil, which is actually the Rogaine, the brand. So that is how it looks like. Just comment in the section below if you have tried out amla, aloe, fenugreek hairspray for massive hair growth. So now we are preparing our bottles. We are going to use a spray bottle to store our final product. So aloe vera will also help with seborrheic dermatitis, a common inflammatory skin condition that affects the scalp. It causes dandruff, red skin, and scaly patches. So it will also prevent from UV damage. So amla powder actually is rich in vitamin C, flavonoids, phosphorus, iron, and calcium. So topical application delivers the nutrients direct to your hair. So the topical results is healthier hair. So a 2014 study also found that an herbal solution containing amla was more effective than several counter chemical solutions at treating lice. So it is very effective for treating lice, head lice as well. So subscribe to our channel for more friends. So like on this channel, I upload videos every day. Make sure that you come back and check for more videos every day. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click on that subscribe button and subscribe now. So like for fenugreek, there hasn't been more research, but of course there are some few research which has been done which shows that it helps hair growth. But of course, more studies are needed to show if it can promote, thinning hair, or if it can grow back thinning hair. Some, of course, they take fenugreek as a supplement. So the fenugreek seed extract was done actually on a research of people who took the solution for 6 months. So 80% study participants who received supplements responded improvements in hair volume and thickness. So now, of course, I'm in a protective hairstyle. Like if you've been on this channel, like I'm in a 6 months protective style and we're in the 4th month of doing twists. Yes, I'm going to link the videos in the description box below. So like in this protective style that we are seeing, like their twists, I just braided them with a cotton thread just to bring them together, So I spray it on my edges, on my scalp, and throughout our hair strands. So like you won't even manipulate your hair. This actually promotes growth phase. If you want your hair to grow, like leave it alone and be sure that you are consistent and patient, and then you will see growth. Yes, so I really appreciate you guys, for watching my videos, and I appreciate you for commenting. I love interacting very much. So comment in the section below if you're going to try out Amla, fenugreek, aloe, powerful hair mist for hair growth, for volume, itchy scalp, and preventing premature, graying. This hairspray is so good. It's going to work for your hair. And make sure that you use it consistently. You can use it in between washes. You can even use it on a day of a wash day as a leave-in hairspray. So thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video.